Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to Madrid. That's bad news. There is a charging station, but 2 cars are using it. That's the BMW Chalemo CCS. Dicen que está aquí.
Aquí había uno.
Ah.
Aquí había uno.
No hay más.
Sí, hay más, pero...
I love this. 2 free charging stations.
Tengo que llamaré aquí este número. Pero no es que no puedo entrar en el punto. Cuando quieres entrar, que te salen los 2 puntos, ya no sale. Mira, aquí le sale un error. 1212.
In the end, I found a charge point. It's at a restaurant and it works. I just use electromaps for the first time. This city is really complicated to find a charge point. I think I'm gonna have lunch now. It's charging. Good. Comprobando la conexión con el vehículo. The bike is charging at full speed, so I will be here for about an hour. That should be the last charge of the day. The last leg will be 178 kilometers to the place of my friend in Madrid. And then I will spend the night at his home, spend the day in Madrid tomorrow. So that's it. That's it for the day. Thank you. And see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye. Good morning, everyone. I have left Madrid this morning with a heavy sky, just like this one. Yesterday, I've been to XR Moto to put some new shoes on the SRF. They gave me a voucher for coffee that I took next door with a croissant. When I came back, the SRF was ready. It looks like a DSRF now. I want to go to a special place, so see you there.
Powered by the dark side?
Yes.
I'm a drone user myself. Which one is this?
It's the hotel. It's from the US.
The Mavic. It's bigger. This is much smaller. And how do you like this motorcycle?
I love it.
What's the autonomy? How far can you go with it?
It's 200 kilometers.
Okay. And then you plug it in, and how long does it take to charge up?
From 0%, it will be 1 hour.
1 hour.
But I would say on average, it's more like 40 minutes.
Okay, fantastic. I love it. It's the future. I mean, well, for you, it's the present. For
Yeah.
a lot of people, I think it's the future. So, congratulations.
I'm experiencing. I had tagged a charging spot, Cafeteria Tyres.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Have you just arrived?
Yes.
Oh fuck.
We are going to Alicante.
Yes, so you know Daniel Montero.
Oh yes.
He's coming.
I just do commuting. I usually do around 140k. I've done up to 200k on one charge.
Wow. Por alguna razón, Mark, porque lo acabo de volver a enchufar. Vamos así.
I didn't want to slow their group, so I prefer to move to that stop. As soon as she started to charge, my speed dropped to 7 kilowatt. These shared stations, they don't work correctly. I made it to the hotel. I can almost see the Alhambra. I have a ferry to catch this afternoon, obviously because there is still no bridge between Spain and Africa, but I will still be in Spain because I'm going to Ceuta. Adios. shit. In this tiny village, ChargeMap was listing 2 spots. There is a charging station here. I will be lucky. And if I'm not lucky, I will be in deep shit. It's here. Ooh. Right at the top of the hill. They gave me an option to charge, but the minimum is 50 kilowatt, which is 20 euro. So I took it because anyway, I'm stuck and this is my only option. Something happens. And the speed. Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Well done.
Muchas gracias.
De nada.
It's a tighter schedule than what I want. It's already 1. I have to be there at 2:30, and according to Google Maps, it will take me 1:15. So I can make it, but the problem is the battery is currently charged at 50%, and I need more. So it means that if I go now, it will be another challenge. Let's see. Believe it or not, it's raining. It's like the Murphy's Law. Everything is coming at the same time.
Ceuta, directamente al control.
I just have a kind of PDF reservation, but for Ceuta you don't need a ticket. You just go there. I plugged, but there's no light on it. I don't think it works.
Hola.
Hola. Tengo it. Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Charging in the toilets of the ferry terminal. I made it to Africa. Technically this is still Spain, but I'm on the African continent. So me and the Zero SRF, we are in Africa now. Let's start the game.